If you want to learn how to use Claude Cowork, then you are in the right place. I'm not going to be boring you with all complex stuff or things that will confuse you. No, we're going to head straight up to our computer and you see how it works. The things you're asking, what's the difference between Claude Cowork and the normal Claude? The normal Claude, you just type in stuff and gives you results, but Cowork help you get things done. It's like that special assistant or that special guy who is ready to get things done for you. So let's head up straight to my computer and let's do something with Cowork. Claude Cowork is not like a normal Claude. You have to go to your browser and search for the desktop version of Claude and install it. Okay, just type Claude Cowork and the first link, just click on it and you see it here. You can see download Claude. If you click on download Claude, to download straight to your computer. For me, I have it installed already, so I'll not go further to download it. Okay, so I'll just cancel the download button and I'll just open my Claude Cowork. This is my Claude Cowork. This is how it looks like, and we can start working on anything we want to work on. Now let's do a simple project. I want Claude Cowork to help me build a simple productivity app to manage my personal finance, to track how much I spend a day, how much I have, how I spend my money, how much I make, and another thing that relates to my personal finance on a monthly basis and also on a daily basis. So let's head up straight and let's get it done. So I'll go to my Claude Cowork and just type the simple prompt. Okay, now this is the basics of everything. You don't need to be technically sound with AI or with coding to be able to use Claude Cowork. Claude Cowork is basically for people that have no idea in coding. If you have idea in coding and you want to code anything, go and use Claude Code. But Claude Cowork is for ordinary day people who just want to get things done. So just come here, explain what you want to do, like you're talking to somebody, like you're talking to your friend, and Claude Cowork will help you get it done. So now I'll just tell Claude Cowork that I want to build a productivity app to manage my personal finance. Is that something you can help me do? So I can explain what I want and we work on it together. So I'll click on enter and see what Claude will tell me. So now anything Claude is doing is going to be saved in your computer, in your personal computer. You can't use phone for this. You have to have a computer, a laptop or a desktop computer to be able to use Claude Cowork. So what type of app do you want to build? Is it a web app, which is a HTML, SS/JSL, or a spreadsheet? I want to build a web app. What's the main thing you want the tracker to manage? Income, budgeting, saving goals. I'll click on it. So let me see what Claude will come up with. Tell me more about what you envision. So now this is where you have to like explain to Claude what you really want to do. And if you don't know what to do, just tell Claude I don't know what to do, and Claude will also help you out and help you come up with different things. But for me, I have an idea of what I want to do, so I'll just explain it to Claude and let's see what Claude will do. I want to build a personal finance tracking app that I can use every day to monitor my money. I want to be able to open the app on my computer anytime and see a clear picture of my finance. At the top, I want summary card showing my total income for the month, how much I have spent so far, and how much I have left. Simple and clean. I want to be able to add entries, so whenever I receive money or spend money, I type it in. For each entry, I want to capture the amount, whether it's income or an expense, what category it falls under, a short description of what the money was for, and the date. The category I spent my money are food, feeding, transportation, savings and investment, subscription, health or fitness, vocation/lifestyle, clothing, housing, personal finance, gadgets, family and dependents, given, and lastly, miscellaneous. I want a transaction history, like a table that shows all my entries so I can scroll through and see everything I have recorded. I should be able to delete an entry if I made mistake. Then I want a bar chart that shows my spending habits visually so I can see how my money is going day by day or by category. Something that updates as I add new entries. Everything should be saved to my computer, so when I close the app and back the next time, all data are still there and intact. Nothing should be lost. All amounts should be in Nigerian Naira with the Naira symbol. I want it to look clean and modern, something I actually enjoy opening. Dark navy and gold would be a nice color scheme. Can you build this for me as a local app that runs on my computer, that opens in the browser? If you check this, you see a whole lot of typos here because I'm just explaining what I want to Claude like I'm talking to somebody. You get the point now? So you can see what I sent to Claude now. It's as simple as that. Click on enter. So let's see what Claude will do now. Claude is thinking. Of course, it has to think. It's not a small project. Okay, Claude is building something and let's see what Claude is doing. Still building. Just calm down. It's still building. You can see it now. Boom, we have something here. If you don't like this color, you can change the color, but let's see what is happening here now. Now let me open it in my Google Chrome. Allow. This is what it opened for us. So you can see our tracking device now. The month overview. You can see total income, total spent, balance remaining. These are the three overview that we have. The transaction history is here. So today I made 100,000 naira. Okay, 100. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 100,000 naira. And let me see the income. Under income, there's nothing here that I can put under income here. So I'll just leave it here. Description, I can add how the money came in. Video editing. It's asking me to select a category. Now you can see there's a problem here now, right? Under income, when I click on income, you can see it's asking me to put in all these categories, which I don't like. I'll just screenshot it. And it's something I want to fix with Claude Cowork now. I love as this problem is coming up so you can see how I will fix everything. Okay, so I'll go to Claude Cowork. There is an issue. When I click on income, it's asking me to select a category. Which which there is no category for income. So now I want to add different categories under income. The categories under income: salary, video editing, design, because I pay myself salary from my agency, so I'll put it there, salary. Second one, video editing. Next one will be design. I'll put gifts. Okay, maybe someone dash me money. If you dash me money, I'll put it here as gift. What again? Orders. Let me just put orders here. I'll now put a place to type it in. Let me see what will happen here now. Anything you want to correct, you call back here. You just put in the prompt to explain what you want to do, and it will help you arrange it. It's as simple as that. I love the way we are having this issue so you can see how to solve it in real time. Okay, like it's almost done. Okay, so you can see almost done already. So I just reopen it again, or if I don't want to reopen it, I just come here and refresh. That's all. You can see under income now. If I click on category, you can see it now: salary, video editing, orders. You can see when it's orders, you can see I can specify it now. If it's video editing, if it's salary, very simple. So under income, let me put my income. Let me just put how much will I put in? Let me put 100k, just like what we did before. 100k, okay, which 100,000 naira. Under category, I'll put salary, then description. I can put anything here: monthly salary from the 23, the date. I'll put today's date, then add entry. You can see total income 100,000, right? Total spend, I've not spent anything. Balance, you can see it here 100,000 because I've not spent anything. So my 100,000 is still 100,000. Okay, I just claim my salary today, so of course I have to buy data for my phone or subscription or something like that. So I'll just come in an amount. I'll put 5,000 naira. Category, which category? I can see categories here. So if I want to add others here now, because maybe something come up and it's not here, I need to specify that. So you can go back to Claude Cowork and say that I want to add others inside expenses. So I can go back and go to Claude Cowork and tell Claude Cowork that I want to add others. For expenses, I will love to add others, a place where I can type anything that is not on the list, and I click on enter and it will fix that for me. It's as simple as that. Just give you time to update everything. Okay, so you can see now it's done now. So I just go back to it's done now. So I just refresh it, and if I go to expenses and click on category, you can see others. If I click on others, now I have a place to type in what I want to type in. So now I'll come here now, 5,000 naira. What did I spend the money on? Subscription. Okay, you can put data or anything there. Description, I'll put MTN data, and I'll add entry. Boom. Immediately I add entry 5,000. You can see this one has reduced. The balance remaining has reduced to 95,000. Hope you are seeing clearly now. The balance remaining reduced towards 95,000. Today again, I spent 7,000 naira on feeding. I just received my salary today, so I have to eat well. So I'm spending 7,000 naira, which is like 7% of my entire income. So I go to feeding. What did I eat? A plate of rice. All these are just examples I'm giving here now. Okay, a plate of rice, entry. Boom. Now you can see now my balance is now 88,000. And you can see now this bar chart now. You can see now food is topping the chart because I spent 7k on food. When it's tomorrow, it automatically updates to the following day for you. This date automatically updates itself. If you come in tomorrow, it will be 22 of 06 2026. Okay, so let's say I spend 4,000 naira. I bought a new shoe. Is there a shoe of 4,000 naira in Nigeria? I don't even think so, but let's put it here. Shoes on that clothing. Let's push on that clothing. Slippers, anything. I just put anything there. That add entry. Boom. So you can see now. You can see clothing 4k. I see the chart now. Down here now, you can see transaction history. Let's say today again, my toilet is leaking and I have to fix it immediately. It's under housing, right? So housing, I just put it, toilet fix it. Boom. Now you can see housing now is stopping the chart with 10,000 now. If I click by day, tomorrow now, this thing will be 2. If it's the entire month, this place will be full of 30 different bar charts showing what you spend every day. But by category, which we have inputted 4 different categories: housing, clothing, food, and subscription. You can see the 4 categories here. Transaction history, you can see transaction history. Then description, you can see all the description here. That same day, I received money. Someone paid me money to design something for them. Let me say someone paid me 50,000 naira. Design, flyer design. That's what I did for this client, and I add entry. You can see now my income has increased. My money is now 124,000 naira, which is the income, and the total income of the month is now 150,000 naira. 100k as salary, and that same day I got a job of 50,000 naira from a client, and I added it, and you can see it here now. Okay, if I come here, you can see income here, income 21st, and you can see it added here now. That's how it is. You can add anything you want to add. But let's say I don't like this color don't like this design. Go back to your coworker and said, okay, I want this thing to be red. I want my bar chart to be this color, and it will fix everything for you. Okay, so now I want to add some things to this particular tracking device to make it more interesting. Now I want to add 4 things. I want to add a dashboard, but like the main dashboard itself. I want to also add where I can log in my daily expenses instead of just logging at the first scene like this, like where I can log in my today's expenses, income, and all that. Thirdly, I want to see like my my weekly chart where I can see the chart of everything that is going on with my money, like my expenses, my income, just to see the chart and compare everything. And last but not the least, I want a setting option where I can do my settings and all that. Okay, let's go to Cowork and let's do it now. Section 1, the dashboard that shows everything in summary, and a section where I can click to upload my daily data. Okay, section 2, where I can log in the daily data. Section 3, a weekly summary section of my finance. Number 4 shows the chart section where I can see the various chart of how my money is managed. Income chart, okay, expenses chart, what is taking my money the most, what I spent the money on, updated daily and monthly recap. Lastly, the settings section. So I click on enter and see how it works. So it said, what should the settings section include? Manage category, export data, app theme and appearances. For the weekly and monthly summaries, what should they show? Total income versus total spends, category breakdown, comparison to previous period, saving rates. We didn't add savings, or they add budget. There's one thing we could have added, like how much I want to spend this month to be there at the top there, and the budget will be reducing as it goes. Okay, let's see. Maybe that would be the last thing we're going to add. Let's see how it goes now. Okay, this thing is looking interesting now. It's good the way we're going back and forth to like get what we want. Okay, that's updated. Okay, so now let's go back. Let's update it to the recent one that we just finished doing. Okay, so this is our new look. You can see how it's looking more better, more professional now. You can see our dashboard here to the left, daily login. So you can come here and add your daily login with income, with expenses. You can add it here. Weekly summary. You can see your weekly summary here. So you can see the bar chart. Okay, this is bar chart, or how they calling it. You can see it here. Housing is popping the chart. Food, you can see food is going. Subscription is going. Clothing is going. Like this is weekly. This part updates every single week. Now the chart now. This is the chart section. You can see how it looks amazing. For income, this is the income versus expenses now. Okay, you can see the income is the green, the expenses is red. So for now, our income is bigger than our expenses. Okay, now the top scoring category. Now you can see housing is the top scoring category. Food and feeding, subscription, clothing. You can see now daily expenses. And for this month, you can see it here now. Okay, we just have 26,000 naira. Like so now you can see the income source for this month. You can see the green, which is the design, which is the 50k that comes from design, and you can see salary, which is the other part that comes from salary, which is the blue part. You can see it now. Then the monthly recap. This is a monthly recap. And for setting, you can come and can change your settings. If the light mode you want, you can see the light mode. If it's the dark mode, you leave it dark mode. Income category, like you can see different categories. If I want to add any category, I can click on add and I can add category. If I want to add for expenses, I can click and add anyone for expenses. Then for export data, if I want to export my data, let's say I want to give somebody the data, or I want to like use the data for something else, I can just come here and click on export as CSV. CSV is spreadsheet, like the Excel file, and I can export my data to my computer. So you can see the amazing thing we have done here now. For you to add new data, there are 2 ways to do that. You can say log to this entry and click on this button, and it will bring you to where you can log into this entry, or just come to daily log and you can log it in. For instance, I spent another 7,500 on, let's say I went out, let's say I went to a garden or a park. Here I'll put Silent Park, add entry. So you can see it now. Just say before the end of that day, I got another job from somebody to edit a Reels, 75,000, an Instagram Reel or a TikTok Reel. I'll put editing, video editing for that day, video Reels. I'll click on add entry. So if I go to my dashboard, you see everything will change. So my income for the month now is 235,000 naira. Spent today 33,000 naira. Balance, I have 201,500 naira in my account now. If I go to my weekly summary, you can see everything is here. If I go to my chart, you can see my chart has updated. Weekly recap, everything. You can see the money here has updated. Everything has updated. You can see how I built a simple productivity app to manage my finance using Claude Cowork. It's as simple as that. Now, how do you access your work? Claude will create a folder in your computer and save all your files there. For instance, I go to my Claude Cowork here and I click on showing folder. It will take me straight to the folder in my computer where Claude is saving everything, and you can see it here. So if I click on it now, it opens straight up in my browser. And if you don't like that folder, you can tell Claude to change the folder for you. Anywhere you want Claude to save the file, Claude will do that for you. And all you need to do is to go to that folder and double click on the main file, and it will open straight up in your browser, and you continue. Your data is safe. Anytime you come back to make any update or any changes, your files are safe. So don't to worry about that. So the main thing is don't delete that folder in your computer. When you delete that folder in your computer, you lost everything. So Claude is building everything using your computer. If you enjoyed this video, then you will love to watch this video. But until then, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And before you go and watch this video, please subscribe to this channel so you'll be updated when I release new videos like this.